While I had the FN2, there we go. I just called it EP3. Pete said the other week he was going to buy an induction kit, and we looked online, and they're like 100, nearly 200 quid. Probably because of the mass airflow mount and stuff like that. So while he let me in the car for the weekend, we went into my shed and grabbed loads of stuff, and we actually made an induction kit which looks fairly legit. It looks pretty cool. I'll show you it now. So this heat shield is from my old EP3. Obviously it's turned horizontally. Air filter from my EK9. Random pipe and intake pipe, all these are from my EK9 when I had my turbo EK9. So we've got Samico hose. What are those clamps called again?
Michelor.
Michelor clamp, so that's legit. That's, you know, that's race car. We mounted the mass airflow. It's only got one bolt on it, but it doesn't really matter because it's not like it's going to make a difference. It's fairly well sealed. It's got a O-ring on it, so it's quite sealed. It's held. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to pop out because no pressure. It's just sucking in, so it doesn't really make a difference. Got a little Tegular pipe there, a little oil breather down there. I don't know if you can even see it. But yeah, this is the. Actually, I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know. People might think it looks shit, but I think it looks like. Legitness. It looks like someone could buy that. All this heat tape as well. That was all mine in from my shed. Yeah. I'm hoping.
The thing to stress is though, but Pete doesn't know any of this.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, so Pete has no idea that we actually done this. He still doesn't know now. He'll find out tomorrow because I'm going to take it back. When I take the car back to him, I'll video it and I'll see what he says. I'm hoping he likes it because
we put effort into this.
We did spend about 2 or 3 hours doing this, to be fair.
And we also thank you to Darren Enfield for linking us the step cutter. Yeah,
thanks for Darren, because we needed a step cutter for the mass airflow. Those would have been stuff because we went to Halfords and it had nothing. But yeah, that was it. So obviously Pete's going to watch it, so I hope you like it, because if not, you're ungrateful and I hate you.
Turkish prick.
But yeah, I'll show you what it sounds like. I'll do some clips and stuff. So that was what it sounds like. It sounds pretty standard, to be fair. Any induction kit will probably sound the same, like all like HKS and Canon Typhoon, because they're all the same sort of thing. That's a Canon air filter anyway, so it's basically like a this is a shed racing induction kit right here. So that's what it is. I'll see you tomorrow when I give it back to him, and hopefully he loves it. If he doesn't, then honestly our friendship's on the line, because we spent hours, like 2 or 3 hours doing this. We put effort into it, and
on the Fiesta.
Yeah, oh yeah. But we put love and care into this, so you better fucking like it. What I want to try and do is, like, if you slow down on the bridge and like second gear, do like a second gear pull on it here so you can hear it off the bridge.
Oh right, yeah.
That's what I'm trying to do. Just wait till we get there.
What have you disconnected?
You like it, right?
That's alright.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds decent. Well, you just disconnected the air pipe.
Yeah. I'll put it back when I get back. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Sounds decent.
You need an induction kit, don't you?
Yeah, I need money as well.
Sounds right, doesn't it?
That's cool.
mods, mate.
It's probably because it's just going.
Because I'm a fucking pro tuner, mate.
Pro tuner.
MC tuning. Pop the hood.
Oh well, that's me.
That's the fuel cap. I did that, yeah, as well.
Don't even fit anyway. Fucking spaz.
What's the induction kit there? all breathing, mate. That's not really necessary. Okay,
That's the Walkies, isn't it?
no, this is all mine. So this, all of my Eco 9, that's from my old EP3 turned lengthways.
That's what I'm cooking silver by open.
Yeah. so I turned this lengthways and we chopped the bit off the bottom and bolted it through. That's bolted down there. That all breathes off my sack side, that's off Ben's EP3 and this is all off my Eco 9.
It fits.
Hey?
Fits.
Hey,
It's a guy.
what do you actually reckon though?
Sounds good.
Well, like, it looks fairly legit, does it not? Oh, the tape's gonna look funny.
What colour is it underneath? Just silver?
It's a boost. That's like boost pipe. This was actually from my air filter. They come off my turbo. It had a straight bit and then a thing on it.
Oh mate.
And that is a genuine KN. I've got two. And that is a shit. Don't tell me the name of the plant now. They're like legit plants.
Legit guy.
No, what are they called? They're like really good plants. Like everyone uses them good. Obviously, it's not good.
Cigar.
It's shit. It's all reversible, by the way.
It's what?
It's all reversible.
Oh well, obviously it just unfolds, doesn't it?
Yeah. You know, I was really annoyed about this though.
But
Because we didn't. When I came up with it, we did not. No, when we forgot, I did think about it. Is this mass airflow?
yeah.
We've got fucking fly-by wire shit.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
You just have to drill a hole.
Yeah. That's why Ben put up a post saying we need to fire a hole to it. I need to drill a 20mm hole to mount the mass airflow.
Oh, you came up with this the other day.
I came this on Friday. I said, look, I've got enough stuff in my shit. I can make a fucking test fires. And we actually did it.
What's that even off of?
EP3. That's the EP3 heat shield.
Oh really?
You don't have one yours. Oh, you didn't have one.
You have to move the battery in there.
No.
Some of them do, don't you? I suppose it's got cold air going straight to
The
there.
cold air feed's right underneath it, mate. It's all functional, look. It's KN, so it's not a shit filter. Cold air feed going straight to the filter. Heat shield. Heat tape. Samaco hose. A thingy thing. And then, yeah. Ben did this, I didn't know that. I was like, what's the point? You don't want to keep... The thing is, you want cool tape on that.
I was going to say, this isn't going to get hot anyway.
No, but you want cool tape on this, because you want... What heat does is reflects heat away, but that's giving heat out. So that's not... You want cool tape on that, so it keeps the heat in. I think it looks shit, but he was adamant to leave it.
What?
You're going to leave it on there?
Yeah.
There's stuff's in the boot, by the way.
I thought you just disconnected it.
No.
Jim.
I made you think that was good.
Yeah.
Bad times.